Welcome to Tuesday's Thought for the Day. If you haven't already read today's Bible passages, you may like to at least read Luke 19:41 to 48 now. Amid the joy and adulation from Jesus' supporters, Jesus paused and wept. It was indeed a very emotional time for him, but this was more than just emotion. His love for the city and its people, coupled by his understanding of future events, led him to mourn over a city which was looking great now, especially after the building projects various rulers had erected, but which would shortly be razed to the ground, with all the suffering and bloodshed that would involve. His insights are similar to the Old Testament prophets' warnings that unless they respond to him in humility, these fine towers would all come to nothing, just as the grand tower of Babel did in the early days of Genesis. The fact is that the earthly grandeur of earthly kingdoms will never last, despite the claims of their founders, be they Hittite, Babylonian, Greek, Roman, Persian, Mongolian, Chinese, British, Nazi, American or Russian, all come to an end. Like Nebuchadnezzar's dream of a statue composed of many materials, gold, silver, bronze, iron, and clay, all civilizations and empires have feet of clay, and that clay is human sinfulness. Hannah's prayer in our other Bible passage, 1 Samuel chapter 2, is full of the oppressor brought low and the humble lifted by God. May we put ourselves into his hands where true security lies. As Hannah says, the bows of the warriors are broken. He raises the poor from the dust and lifts the needy from the ash heap. A prayer. Father, I'm safer forever in your hands, safer than surrounded by all the grandeur of human achievement. Thank you. Amen.